My clinic is I put a bowl and I just heat up water from the tea kettle, and then I'll immerse the cup in there just to warm it because I don't want it to be cold when I'm trying to pull cold out of the body. So this is cupping to pull cold out of the body. So this could be for infertility, it could be even during pregnancy. So I cup full-term pregnant ladies all the time. I saw a woman the other day who's 5 days overdue her due date, and she was going to be induced in 2 days, and she was freezing cold. So I was like, well, before I moxer her, let me pull the cold out of her body. Because again, cold congeals, it contracts, it doesn't allow the free flow of chi. So for her instance was gonna be to have a baby. So I'm just gonna let this warm up for a sec. I'm holding a coin in my hand, so I have a dollar coin. And I'm also warming it with my hand to get it to body temperature so that it's not cold when I put it on her. So what I'm gonna do is take this coin, I'm gonna wrap it in a tissue. So I'm gonna have you lay back on your back and we'll get you comfortable here. And so what I do first is I just take a little bit of coconut oil. It's organic coconut oil. And just a little bit, and I'm gonna touch your belly button. So I'm gonna put it around here. So that's just so that it will stick really good. And now I'm gonna take the tissue in the coin. This is like my fun little magic trick. And I'm just gonna twist it. So you twist it like this. And I am not gonna burn you, I promise you. I've done this a million times. And so I take the top part off, and it often rips, it's no big deal. And so I'm just gonna place this on your belly button. So this is really wonderful for so many things again. And so what we're gonna do is pull the cold out of her body. And the reason that we have the coin is gonna hold the essential chi or the essential energy in, and it's just gonna pull the icky stuff out. Oh. So it's really interesting. When we remove the cup, oftentimes the umbilicus is freezing cold. So you could tell the cold came out. So I told you how I have, well, from my stillborn experience, I have this freezing cold belly. And for years and years and years, all that acupuncture and herbs couldn't help it. But then once I started cupping my umbilicus, it really made a difference.
Wow.
So does this feel okay? It's not
yeah,
freezing
totally.
cold? Okay, so I'll let you hold that. Okay, so this is how I do it. And so I'm just gonna light it here. And then I just throw the lighter because I don't want to focus on anything but her right now. It's just the way it's the way I roll.
Cool.
You okay?
Yeah.
Is it too tight?
No.
Okay, so you can see the skin sort of comes up, and the heat just extinguishes itself, and it causes the skin to rise. And so I would just make sure she's warm. So I might like cover her with her things, and then I would just shake her hips a little bit just to like move the chi a little bit. And oftentimes we'll just cover her with blankets, make sure she's warm. And this in and of itself is a treatment. You don't have to do any needles, you don't have to do anything else. And I'll leave this on for 30 to 60 minutes. And it's so powerful. So if I was gonna do 30 minutes and I have the time, I'm gonna take the cup off, and then I'm gonna moxa her belly, and I'm gonna flip her over, and I'm gonna, or have her on her side if she's full-term pregnant, and do the moxosacral fan, and warm her feet, and boom, she gave birth the next day. Amazing. So when I do this with full-term pregnant ladies, I'll have them sitting in that queen throne position, like sitting upright, and I'll have to put blankets to make sure the cup stays, but it works like a charm.
That's awesome.
Yes. Thank you.